Yo, what is up, guys? It's a Faraz, and I'm talking about foam rolling today. So these are a few videos that I kind of put on Instagram, but I'm gonna do a voiceover, quick YouTube video on the importance of foam rolling and like how to do it. So as you can see here, I'm foam rolling out my back and my lats. Importance of foam rolling is pretty much you're inhibiting, you're stopping the activation of overactive muscles. So you're kind of bringing them back down to normal, and then you're loosening up your tight muscles that are underactive. So it's like a win-win situation, right? I have foam roll before every lift, no matter what. It's definitely a lifesaver. So back, as you saw, I was like kind of hugging my back. That's the best way to do it, so you can down your spine. Here I was rolling my lats, which is, right above, like around your armpit area, except you're kind of laying on your side. So as you can see here, I have a knot in my back, or in my shoulder, like my teres major area, that right where that green tape and that blue tape intersect, a little bit close to that, and I'm just kind of getting to it. So same thing with your hams and your calves. These are a little bit easier. I just go unilateral. You can do both at the same time if you really want to, but it's better to do one leg at a time. So I'll cross one leg over the other, and I'll just roll out my hamstring as much as I can. And if I have any trouble spots, I literally just kind of stay there and just move your leg up and down. I don't really have any trouble spots in my hamstrings since I roll out every single day, but my calves are super tight. Everyone's calves are really tight because they walk around all day. So loosening up your calves like this with the self-myofascial release is very important to do, especially on, I don't even think I was doing legs. I think I was actually doing legs and shoulders, but like usually I'll roll out my calves every day just because they're so tight. Hip flexors, these are probably the tightest muscle group for most people because they sit a lot at work. I don't really sit down at work, but I do sit a lot at my house on a chair or something, or on the couch. So hips are really big. A lot of people do hip flexor stretches, which is great, but stretching only lengthens a muscle, right? So you want to kind of get that like back and forth motion so you can inhibit the overactive muscles, like I said earlier, and then this will allow you to activate the underactive muscles.